What's up, Jet Setters? So it's John Crestani, and I am interviewing my good buddy here, Tanner Fox. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with this guy, but your YouTube channel kind of burst up in popularity, and he's known for doing extremely well on Amazon. So he's freaking 22 years old. I can't believe that. And he's an Amazon wizard. He's been doing very well with e-commerce, and he's going to be talking to us a little bit today. My first thing is we're going to be talking about entrepreneurship first, and we're going to have some more videos. So guys, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys stay tuned, because we're going to have a couple videos in this series. But the first thing is kind of, how did you decide to just be an entrepreneur? Like lots of the people watching, they're going, they're working normal jobs, and like you obviously realized really early on, to be an entrepreneur. How did that come about?
I started about 2 years ago, and it was all looking stuff up online. I was in community college at the time, and even before that, I always would say, oh, I want a Lamborghini. By the time I'm 25, I always say, oh, I'm gonna have one.
Yeah.
And people say, how? I'm like, I don't know, but I will. And I didn't know. I probably started saying that when I was like 17.
Yeah.
And then fast forward to when I'm 19, almost 20 in community college. I was just bored during summer. I didn't really do anything. I was playing video games. It's like, how can I make some money? Looked into the entrepreneurship thing, and then just found a bunch of stuff on YouTube and went from there, took some courses, looked into, I didn't really know about affiliate marketing, but I looked into drop shipping versus Amazon selling, which are different things. And with drop shipping, it seemed like everyone was doing it. So I was like, oh, I don't really want to do that. So I went with FBA, and then fast forward 2 years and we're here now. So it all just started from boredom and wanting to make money. But I also did work, I didn't work a 9 to 5, but part-time jobs. And I'm like lazy but efficient. So I get things done when I'm working, but I can't work more than 3 or 4 hours a day. So I would work for like 4 hours just standing at like the front of a gym, and I would be like, I want to kill myself. So I knew like 9 to 5, not a chance. Like I have to be doing something. I can't have like here's your ceiling, you can't go past this. I need to be able to improve on whatever I'm doing always. So it's all about the growth. And now for me, it's like, it's not about the money, it's about seeing the growth, and it's like a number game. It's just a game now. So.
I mean, kind of what I'm hearing is just going through did you finish college, by the way?
No, I dropped out with 8 classes left.
Okay.
I could have finished, but I wanted to prove a point more so than anything. Because I had to buy a house first, because my parents wouldn't let me drop out even when I was like, oh, I'm making $30,000 a month. They're like, no, stay in college. And then I was like, I'm making $300,000 a month. They're like, no. And then after like a month or two of that, they're like, oh, okay. Because, long story short, it's hard to get a mortgage when you're self-employed less than 2 years. So I just got one, but
that's awesome.
Dropped out, and now we're good. I started for the reason most people start, but don't want to hear you start. I wanted a Lamborghini. Not gonna lie. I wanted a Lamborghini. I didn't care about the freedom that came with it. Originally, it was more about I wanted that car, because I've been in cars, and then that was the main reason to start. And obviously now it changed a little, but still love that car.
And I mean, like I saw the same thing. I worked like more of a normal job, like right out of college. I was making $6,000 a month, and there was no way to go from 6,000 to 10,000 or 6,000 to 60,000.
And part of it is being impatient.
Ridiculous,
Because I'm super impatient. I don't want to be like, okay, I make 50, then I make 60 the next year. I'm like, I can't buy a Lamborghini unless I'm making over like 300,000 a year. So I need to get to that in a year or two.
So it was all about the Lamborghini. Do you have the Lamborghini yet? 2 years later?
I do, but it's been in the shop for a couple weeks getting a body kit.
No shit.
But haven't had it for about 4 weeks. I got it probably 4 or 5 months ago. So it's been fun.
What cars do you have?
I have a Lamborghini Huracan and a Nismo GTR.
Dudes.
And a Raptor.
What'd you drive today?
GTR.
Can we see it?
Yeah.
Dude, let's do it. By the way, love your freaking YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
You're killing it.
It's been growing like crazy. I never thought it would grow that quick.
If you guys are watching, make sure you guys subscribe to this guy's channel. We're gonna plug it again at the end, so we're going outside.
you.
Love it. Thanks for taking me for a ride. I don't know if you guys caught any of that, but it was pretty sweet. So what would be some of your tips for other people looking to become entrepreneurs or looking to work for themselves, like not have to work a 9 to 5?
The main thing is just learning what works and how you're going to make money and what to do, because that was my issue starting. I didn't know what to do, where to start.
Okay.
First thing I would say is figure out what kind of lifestyle you want.
Okay.
So there's different types of income. Obviously, I go for passive income. So obviously you set it up front, do most of the work, and then it's almost automated. You're just managing it. So I would say first one, figure out what you want to do, what kind of lifestyle you want to live, if it's like that. If you don't mind working like 9 to 5 or what you want to do. Second one.
Who the fuck doesn't want passive
I
income?
know.
I mean, that sounds retarded, man. Like,
but it's true.
Yeah,
Some
I
people
know.
are like, oh, I like working. So I get bored if I don't
yeah.
work. So it just depends.
Passive
income.
Yeah.
That's the way to go. I don't preach anything other than it. But I have had people say, well, I get bored. It's like too
serious?
easy. I'm like,
Are you
what?
serious?
No. Yes.
Okay.
So believe it or not.
What? Okay, that's crazy.
So, and then really just from there, it's just figuring out what works. So find someone who's where you want to be in life, doing what you want to do, see what they're doing, look at multiple people like that, see what you think you would like, and replicate what they're doing. So don't try and reinvent the wheel. Don't be like, what new idea or new thing can I come up with? Look at what's working and how I can put my own little twist on it. So copy them if you have to, put your own little twist on it, and go from there.
Cool.
And then that's it.
Basically, kind of summarizing, freaking have a goal, like know what you want. You want passive income, you want to work, then find where the money is, you know, what's making money, and
then learn how to do it.
Learn how to do it, and just follow somebody who's probably successful at it, and freaking do it.
Figuring out how they're doing it, and then if it doesn't work, obviously it's working for them, multiple people are doing it, it's working, it's obviously your own fault. If it's not working, figure out what you're doing wrong and adjust. That's what I had to do with Amazon. Had 3 products fail initially, figured out what I did wrong, fixed it, and then was successful from there.
So obviously the next question on everybody's mind is, what's fucking working, man? Like what's working? But I'm thinking we can go into that. That's probably a longer answer.
Yes,
so we can go into that in the next video. So guys, first of all, if you guys enjoy this is awesome, by the way. Make sure you guys subscribe to this dude's channel. It's links in the description, or it's somewhere on this video. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel as well if you're not already subscribed. And we're gonna go over what's making money right now in the next video. So see you guys soon. Let me see those likes, pound that like button, and let me see some comments, guys. Let me know you're alive. Love to interact with you guys. See you in the next video. Awesome.